This video is going to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation. These are just some basic steps and information. PowerPoint's really not that difficult to use. When you open PowerPoint, you're going to get your first page is going to look like this. Click to add a title. If you want to add a subtitle, you can. If you don't, that's okay. You don't have to. After you type in your new slide, we'll just do one as we go here. Slideshow, and then a subtitle: how to use PowerPoint. So I'm finished with that slide. Now I can do a couple of things with that slide. If I go over here to the left side of the screen, I can right-click on my slide and I can do a format of the background. So let's say that I wanted to do a fill. I could choose a color. Maybe I want to fill it with blue. I could fill that color with blue. And I can do all kinds of different things in there with my color. I can adjust how light or dark it is using that transparency slider. Once I've done that, I can choose to apply to all or just to that slide, or just close it. So I'm going to close that. Now to get a new slide, I'm going to hit new slide, and then you'll see it's a very standard format that comes out for a new slide. But if you want to change that format and change the way it looks, you can right click on the slide over here and you can go over to layout, and then you can choose how you want your slideshow to look. So you would choose something like this. If maybe you want to add a picture on this side or text on this side, and then a smaller area of text, there are lots of things you can do with different layouts. As you can see, there are lots of things. If you just want to throw a picture in with a caption, which is just a description of the picture, you put your picture in here, and then you add a title of your picture. Now to add a picture itself, it says click the icon, and then you find a picture from your file. So I have an astronaut picture here that I'm going to throw in there, and then I can change the size of my picture by dragging, and then I can move it around the screen. So that's how you would insert a picture. And then to add a title, call this astronaut. Now to view the show, I can simply go to slideshow, and I can play from the beginning. And I have it set up right now. We're not going to do any transitions at this time. I'm just have it set up so every time you click your mouse or hit the space bar, it will transition to the next slide. Now to get out of the full screen mode, you hit escape, and it goes back to the creation stage. So that's a basic overview of how you would do a PowerPoint presentation. As I said, it's really easy, and you can play around with some different things as you go.